I'm the founder of the company Balko Technology. So we have designed a really unique LiDAR system that includes different lasers, different cameras, so you can actually swap the different components as you can see here. It's an entirely modular system. You can swap the laser going from a SI or to a Regal or to a Velodyne, or also change the INS or the camera going from RGB to a multispectral or to a thermal camera. All this included in a package, so you can really be flexible with your customer to respond to the needs they have for specific projects. They all require different accuracy or precision. So our system is really unique in the world because it's entirely modular and you can swap all the different components of the system. We also do different integration with drones, such as helicopter drones, such as here the Velos helicopter that has a camera phase 1 at the top. Also at the Regal system with the 24 or to a 61 megapixel RGB camera facing nadir. It's pretty unique because you can do really long endurance flight with this drone, having multiple sensors in one location on one drone, so you can do on only one flight, getting different type of data. We also have integration that we do with hybrid drone or really different type of drone. We are agnostic with the drone. Our sensors is completely independent. It has its own battery on INS, so you really can install it on the drone that you want. But for specific case that really require a specific type of data, we can do integration for the customers. So it responds to different needs in the industry: construction, mining, pipeline, energy, power line inspection, vegetation encroachment. So there's definitely multiple needs that our sensors can be used and applied.